good morning everybody. For those that don't know me, my name's Cliff and I do various little projects with aeroplanes, and today I've acquired a David Boddington Mannock biplane which is just partially built, and I'm going to finish her off. So let me show you around the plane anyway. Okay, so first of all I've got the plan. I've only got half of the plan. I've only got the fuselage. Don't really need the wing plan. I was just curious to see how the wing struts fitted. She's about 60 inch, just a standoff scale, semi-scale, this is called biplane. So what I've got is the fuselage covered in a nylon type material. That's good because I'll be converting it to electric, so nice bit of ventilation in the bottom already, which is rather nice. Wire conveying struts, good solid job that is. It's not too weighty, but it is what it is. Again, I've got nylon covered wings, no ailerons, and I'm guessing I'm going to put the servos in the wing as we normally do on modern models. No undercarriage as yet. It's a good fit. It's banded on wing. Got to put some dowels through. I like banded on wings. They're easy to do, they work well, and if you knock them, nothing breaks. So I've got that there. Then I've got the tail planes already covered and painted. Put it on there somehow. I've not got a fin or rudder yet. I've got to make that up. Elevators. And lastly, the top wing, which is painted. They've got slight warps in them, but I can get those out, I'm sure. Guys on the forum have advised me, bit of heat, either electric fire, or I can use my covering, my heat gun, what do you call it, for stretching fabric. So anyway, that's banded on as well. Now, this is quite an old model now, probably a good 10 years at least, looking at other videos on YouTube. But I rather like the squareness of it. It looks very vintage. One thing it hasn't got, and doesn't need, but hasn't got, and that is the wing struts. So I've got to work out where I'm going to put wing struts and how they're going to fit. But there it is. A bit of fun. Mostly built. I don't know who built it. I just bought it at a local swap meet. I shall finish it and get her in the air. So thanks for checking in, guys. A little bit different, the weather's not too good still, so we'll do some building videos and later on some flying videos of this one. If you want to comment or subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with the progress, it's not going to take long to finish this one. If you want to make any comments, please do so. And what am I scratching my chin for, eh? Haven't shaved. Sorry about that, haven't shaved. Subscribe and follow along, and we'll see what we do. I'm probably, by the way, I'm probably going to take the radio gear from my old Super 60, which I haven't flown for a year. Similar size and weight plane, so there's nothing much to buy really, just to swap a few bits in, and let's put it down there. Not much to buy, just swap a few bits in and it'll be job done for very little cost. Right guys, see you soon. Stay tuned for the next thrilling episode of Cliff Harvey RC Planes.